So somewhere along this first river there's a break. Could it be here? No, it's not there. Get that brush size down. Must be before that then. Oh right, yeah, there was this bit where it seemed a bit not deep enough. Oh, we've gone way under. Yeah, I have no idea what's causing this. So it's not depth. I've got the right river with the points. So why aren't the points working? Unity is such a pain in the arse when it comes to some things. That looks like that looks like one way we can get rid of it. Oh, well, I've reverted back to 4 and it's gone. So I have to keep my eye out on that. That was just sheer luck, that. And this is how I actually work with Unity, because like I say, I'm not a developer. I just mess about and do things. That's the best way I could put it. I mean, some things they just don't seem to they just don't seem to work. There was a few bits up along this river that weren't. And that's on a bend, so there would be plenty of. Again, let's have a look at why we're going so slow. See, we should be able to press F on the object and zoom in, and it zooms out. So, you know, it just doesn't do what it says on the tin, basically. So if there's any developers out there that have a clue what's going off here, I mean, it's not like I've got everything activated. Most of the things are off. Turn the dragon off. Is that spot that's needs digging deeper? Well, that looks like one spot. Yeah, if there's any developers out there that can chime in, I would appreciate that. This is where it gets messy. Right, what's the brush? I forgot what they used to call it. They used to call it opacity. But if we're going to press that, see what happens. Right, so we'll undo that. Control, press. Yeah, let's see, that goes too deep. Is it? Have they called it brush strength now? 0.01. We'll undo that last one. That'll be okay. I'll leave that at that. Come on. Let's have you working. Is it here? Yeah, this looks like it's going to... Right. Raise and lower terrain again. I think we'll go a bit wider with this. And we'll go a bit deeper with that. This is a real stickler of a job, this. Well, I'm at 11 minutes recording this time, so I'm going to have to see if we can just get into that bit there. Well, I'm going to have to call it a day now because I'm into 11 minutes recording, and this 11 minutes will be about 70 gigabytes. So I'll have to convert those and carry on in the next video.